Hello, my name's Steve Johnson. I am from Bodega Bay, California, which is about an hour and a half north of San Francisco. I'm a scuba instructor, a boat hull diver, which means I'm cleaning boat hulls underwater using scuba, and I'm a volunteer EMT with Sonoma County Fire. We've been developing a drone search and rescue program, and I identified this course as a potential springboard to get our drones up and running. I've been really impressed with what I've seen in just the first day. Certainly, I've got valuable information for starting the drone program, but also getting valuable information to start my own endeavor. I'm really surprised that our timing is just right. The number of potentials there exceeding 300 is just phenomenal, and it's really inspiring. I love Diego's message uh, about marketing, especially platitudes and hot buttons. When I consider my past attempts to advertise, I realize that I am guilty of, how should we say, gross platituding. I've definitely missed the hot buttons, but at this point, I am working to uh, revise my message for potential clients to develop that first impression and get more positive results. This has only been day one, and I'm really looking forward to days 2 and 3. Really expecting to get a lot out of this. So my message to anybody that is considering the drone industry, the business, jumping into it, do it with both feet, and this is the place to be. I think this course is phenomenal, and anybody would walk away with this with so much information, value, and again, this is the place to be. After today, day 2, my head's still swimming. I'm trying to absorb all of this information, and come up with some clear and concise thoughts to convey here. I'll give it a shot. I think the things that really stuck in my mind, how did I write them down? The strategic marketing formula, the 4 steps there, and the business development and the network. Damon, you had asked the question at one point, how uncomfortable are you at being uncomfortable? Now, that depends. If I think back in the past where uh, the prospect of getting in front of people and essentially selling a service, well, that scared the hell out of me. And those feelings of discomfort, they're kind of creeping back in, and I have to play head games. I realize that with the network, the assistance is there, but ultimately it comes down to me doing it. And that is, I'm perfectly prepared to do it regardless of the discomfort. Uh, Things that come into my head to settle me down, and the fact that for instance, I'm being a scuba instructor. I'm used to being in front of students, and I can talk for days to them, but I'm giving them information. I'm educating them on things that they have no idea what that's about. So um, I'm sharing with them and I'm educating. And if I take the attitude that if I'm in front of real estate agents, for instance, that I'm sharing and educating with them a better way to do things, then I feel more comfortable. So I would say to somebody, just like I said in my last video last night, that if they're looking for something, this is the information that they want, and this is the path they need to take if they really want to be um, serious about building a drone business. I'm looking forward to tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks.